In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a page in Wix Studio. Whether you're working on a new project or simply need to keep certain pages out of public view, hiding a page can be a useful tool in managing your site content. We're going to explore 4 different methods to achieve this, each with its unique purpose and advantages. Let's start with the first option, which is to hide the page from your site's navigation menu. This is perfect for pages like landing pages or special campaign pages that you want to remain live but not immediately visible in your website's main menu. To do this, head over to the Pages panel, typically found in the left sidebar of your Wix Studio interface. Once there, find the specific page you wish to hide, then right-click on it and select Hide from Menu. While this removes the page from your navigation, remember that the page is still accessible to anyone with its URL. Next, we have an option for those who wish to keep the page online, but hidden from search engines. This method involves adjusting the SEO settings of a page. Again, select the page from your Pages panel, and then navigate to Page Settings and look for SEO Basics. Within this menu, you'll find an option labeled Let Search Engines Index This Page. Simply turn this setting off, and your page will no longer appear in search engine results like Google. Our third option focuses on making a page private by restricting access through permissions. This is ideal if you want the page to remain online, but only accessible to specific visitors. Navigate to the page settings and select permissions. Here, you have a few choices. You can password protect the page, which would require visitors to enter a password, make it accessible to members only, which restricts access to logged-in members, or deny access entirely by selecting no one, thereby making the page invisible to all visitors. Finally, if your goal is to make the page entirely disappear from public view, consider either unpublishing or deleting it. Head back to the Pages panel, right-click on the page, and select Delete Page if you're certain you no longer need it. Alternatively, you can choose to unpublish the page. This option is valuable if you might need the page in the future, as it allows you to take it offline temporarily without losing your progress. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage page visibility based on your specific needs and requirements. Each method ensures control over who sees your content and when, offering flexibility depending on the scenario. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this tutorial helps you effectively manage your Wix Studio pages.